lot of people asking why I'm not being so consistent on YouTube is because honestly, fuck am I being consistent for? Like, I drop a video when I want to drop a motherfucking video. If I have videos that I have and I want to drop them back to back, I'm gonna drop them. But I don't. So y'all gonna get these motherfuckers. Why is this nigga pulling up on my ass like that? Anyways, I just feel like it's no need to be. I flooded this shit all last year. If you look at my channel from last year, I was dropping videos every day consistently. When I dropped a video every day consistently, people weren't watching them. So why am I gonna keep dropping videos back to back to back? I know it's gonna grow my audience, grow. Content always grows, but niggas don't appreciate that. I'm not saying that everybody don't appreciate it, but people don't appreciate that when you're getting constant content. So I'd rather just save the videos that I have, put them together, make them longer, whatever I gotta do. But for now, I'm just gonna live how the fuck I wanna live. Cause shooting YouTube every day isn't as fun as you think it would be. It's fun when you have, damn nigga, what you wanna do already. But once it starts becoming a, yo, bitch ass nigga, stop fucking turning. Once it becomes a job, bro, yo, I'm gonna smack the fuck out you, nigga. But once it becomes a job, it's like, why the fuck? First of all, I don't get paid from YouTube. Like, I really don't. That's why I don't care when I post. I don't get paid from YouTube. I make money other ways. Like, this is just, yo! Sorry about that. Little fucking tripod shit was blowing mine. But YouTube, it depends who you are and what you do on YouTube that you can grow quickly. I'm not saying that I'm dirt on YouTube. Like, I got 1,222 subscribers, no flexing, like all humble. Like I know what I've done. I know what I can do. And honestly, I don't want to do shit in Albany no more, cause I hate it here. I'm the first one to say I'm gonna get as far away from this place as I can. Ain't nothing here for me. Ain't nobody doing nothing crazy out here that if I ever, oh my god, fucking yo, if I ever really crazy, like, you can't really go crazy on supporting certain people out here because they don't appreciate shit. They use it for their revenge, but they don't appreciate the shit that you do for them. So I'd rather go hard for me and whoever rock with me than showing support to mad niggas. And when I drop something, I'm sharing my shit 160 times, and that person is sharing my shit -3. Like, I'd rather go hard for me. And I think that's pretty easy. That's pretty self-explanatory why I'm doing that, because I'm trying to grow my own brand as organic as I can. I'm not trying to be out here being like, oh, I'm gonna set up a prank and everybody on this prank is in on it. So it's not really a prank, it's really just stage television. I don't got time for that. I'd rather just live my life to the fullest and y'all just watch me go crazy, go stupid, go wild. If y'all see what I've been doing so far, I'm just trying to get the most content out of Albany without... Albany's not great. Like, people think since it's the capital of New York, this shit is lit. It's dead ass. There are shootings every night. People hate on you. It's really fuckery. Albany's dirt. That's all I gotta say. Still floundering in the woods, going fishing. As you can tell, changed locations. Picked up about 6 fish already. Going back in the water. There's a lot of fish out here today. Just swimming around with the turtles and whatnot. The line's out right now, but it's raining. Like a motherfucker. Is it the vision? I'm out here busting like a motherfucker, guys. It's hot as hell. Y'all know I capped about catching all those fish. I came with my man, he caught a baby fish. It's hot as hell. You up standing? Me under the bridge. Hold on, watch. Y'all see all that? This shit just landed on my neck. This got mad tender. No homo. How can you not say no homo? This nigga just pulled up on a boat. That's tough. Hot as hell. So, take a break from fishing right now. I caught some tree. That's about it. Caught a tree branch, nigga. Had to go over there and pick it out. Hot as fuck, dude. Y'all see me with no shirt on, y'all know what happened. Alright guys, so it got pretty hot. So, hold on. I'm standing on mad rocks, I gotta situate myself first. Alright. I'm gonna give y'all a good cast. This is not stable. Who was I standing? Fuck. I'm going. What? I can take my shirt off in public, pussy. Whoa. Y'all ain't about hot. The ducks over here? Where the ducks go? Where's the ducks go?
Then we skirt off in the bed. Took her back to my crib, and I regret it. She tried.
Outstanding. You seen it? Alright, here he goes. It's hot as fuck. You can't get me this close. I'm gonna start looking. So we've been walking for about an hour now. We were just right there. My legs are buckling.
I grew shit on my feet.
This nigga is a sad case. You lucky I don't want to put you on camera. If I put this nigga on camera, y'all gonna meme him. This nigga has a shoe strapped to his book bag, a soggy sock,
And a pop blister, bitch.
and peep, he fell in the Hudson. This nigga got scabies. So we're walking back to the car. As you can see above my head, we're trying to beat the storm on some Fortnite shit. This is wild. And the car, how many miles? I ain't see a mile marker yet.
We passed 3.5.
Hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all see that storm opening that's covering most of us? Wet ass. Look at him. Miserable. Doing white people shit. He's mad. Oh yeah. I'm squeezing myself off. My socks wet. My hair wet. can't see. Smells like fish. Not even clear foot water. The fuck out of here. Put that to bed. Hell no. Relax, bro. I gotta do 2 more. 2 more socks? How many feet you got? Got 2 socks on one. For what? Coke smuggling fuck?